Hello, calculus fans. Okay, so let's try to draw a picture, and what we want is a function that satisfies these properties. Okay, so we're just going to give a laundry list of things that we're interested in. We want f of 0 to equal to 4. I'd like the function to be increasing, that is, the derivative is positive on the interval from minus infinity to 0. I would like the function to be decreasing, f prime of x to be less than 0, on the interval from 0 to infinity. Then we're going to give a couple of places where we want the function to be concave up. I want it to be concave up on the interval from minus infinity to minus 2 and from 2 to infinity. And then I want it to be concave down here on the interval from minus 2 to 2. So remember, first derivative tells you about increasing, decreasing. Second derivative tells you about concave up, concave down. And finally, I'd like to just throw in some horizontal asymptotes. When we go off to negative infinity, I would like the limit to be 2. When we go off to positive infinity, I'd like the limit to be 0. Okay, so you may want to write down these properties because I'm going to show the graph and put those properties away. So it'll be good to have those written down so that you can follow along with them. Okay, so here's what the graph might look like. I guess you'll notice this time I had to draw things by hand. Okay, so let's pick out a few of these features. So go back to your list of things that we wanted. F of 0 to be 4, and you can see that here. We're 4 units up. Let's see what else we wanted. We want the function to be increasing from minus infinity to 0. So you should be able to see, as you follow the curve from here up to here, that it's increasing. It's going up. And then we wanted the function to be decreasing from 0 to infinity. So along this stretch, the function is decreasing. Okay, and then so I've marked that on the picture here and here, increasing and decreasing. Okay, so what else did we wanted? We also wanted to indicate where it was concave up, and so you can see that down here. We've indicated concave up. So the curve up to this point is concave up. Then you should also see that the curve is concave down in this area. Right, so how can you tell whether something is concave up or concave down? You have to imagine drawing a tangent line to the curve. So here, if we were to draw a tangent line to the curve, that tangent line would be above the curve, and so that tells you that the curve is concave down. Whereas down here, let's look down in this region here, if I were to draw a tangent line, that tangent line would be below the curve. That tells you that it's concave up. Okay, so any other features that we wanted? Yes, we wanted limits. So we have a limit as x approaches negative infinity. We see that here. We get a horizontal asymptote of 2. And then another horizontal asymptote out here of 0 as we go off towards positive infinity. I think now we've got actually all the features that we're interested in. Okay, that's all for now.